I'm here with Michael from Airflow, and Michael was telling me that the show has been absolutely brilliant for you. You've seen quite a good level of interest.
A very good level of interest. We're busy from 10 o'clock right through to probably 1 o'clock when people go to lunch, and there's a bit of a hiatus in terms of people going to the stand, and then we're on it again from probably 2 o'clock until 4 o'clock. A good level of interest for our stand.
Great, and who are you encouraging to come and see you here at Airflow, and who's been visiting you to date?
Primarily from a personal point of view, my brief is for commercial mechanical ventilation heat recovery equipment. So I want consulting engineers to come to Airflow stand, look at our range of commercial mechanical ventilation heat recovery kit, including our new rotary wheel unit.
And is this the rotary wheel unit behind us?
That's our rotary wheel
could you
behind us.
talk us through this?
Talk you through. We do various ranges of roto equipment, ranging from to turn away there, from about 1,000 cube per hour up to 16,000 cube per hour. The unit particularly is very, very compact because it's got a thermal wheel here which collects the heat energy from the exhaust air, and it will then warm up the incoming supply air in a very 80 to 85% efficient way.
Great. I mean, it looks like a really high-tech, impressive piece of kit.
It looks high-tech, but in its simplicity, it is two fans, electronically commutated, very efficient fans, two filters to filter the supply and the extract air, and just one large thermal wheel that will recover that heat energy. So in its anatomy, that's it. And it might have a heating or a cooling coil, but it can be as complex as you kind of want to make it. That's simply it. Filtered incoming air, which is recovered using a thermal wheel or a counter cross-flow heat recovery coil.
And so who is using this sort of piece of kit?
On the commercial side, it's primarily for commercial buildings. It could be schools, classrooms, hospitals, libraries, universities, any commercial building where there probably are 10 to 15 people in a room that need ventilation, need to breathe, and need to save energy.
That's brilliant. Well, thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a good rest of the couple of days here at UK Construction Week.